In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now open up your Trust Wallet, right? Make sure you get your Ethereum address. Click on this Manage Crypto. Type in Ethereum, right? So yeah, so this, I think this is the Ethereum we have. I'm going to just type it in. So this is Ethereum. Go back, click on it. Click on Receive. Copy your address. Open your Binance. If you want to send Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet, right? If you have some Ethereum right here, go to your Trust Wallet and copy your wallet address, right? Copy it. Open up your Binance, click on the send, click on this. Come on here, type in it, right? So click on it. I'll just wait for it to load up. So I'm gonna click on the it. Wait for it to gradually load up now. So click on select network. Click on this, right? You need to be very careful of this. So click on this, paste wallet address here, confirm the amount you want to send, click on withdraw, then do the verification you need to do, right? So once you're done, you're going to be able to receive your Ethereum on your Trust Wallet. If you find it today helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.